Hi guys, my name's Will. I'm going to show you how to size gas pipe. My credentials: in Virginia, I am a state licensed plumbing contractor, a licensed gas fitting contractor, and state licensed instructor to teach the gas code book. In Tennessee, I'm a plumbing contractor, gas fitting contractor, mechanical pipe contractor. So let's jump up here and get to it. So we're going to run a single line to start with, just to give you how easy it is to actually size it. We're going from our meter to a new gas stove. And I did a bunch of these during the pandemic. People went from electric to gas stoves since they were stuck at home. So we need footage and we need the BTUs. It's 30 feet from the meter to the stove. Stove requires 65,000 BTUs. These are the only two numbers you need to size gas pipe. I have a U-turn method I've come up with. My guys in my classroom said it really clicked with them. I hope it helps you, makes it quicker for you. So 30 feet, 65, we come down 30 feet. We go over to the first block, 95,000 BTUs. If it's not enough, we go over to the next block until we find what we need. This one's 95, more than 65, so we got plenty. Go straight up, half inch pipe is the diameter of the pipe for this guy. It's steel, natural gas, less than 2 psi, 0.5 inches of water column. All that's in your book in the upper right hand corner. Make sure it says this so you know what it is you're sizing, because the tables look the same, but the values change. This is steel. We do steel, copper, CSST, and SDR. When the next video gets into material, we'll get into all that. So that covers how to size gas pipe. So even if there's a different additional drops, appliances, ultimately you come back to what size is it? You come back to the U-turn method. Okay, so here's other things I'm going to talk about. I mean, I've got an online course, but here's things I want to talk about in the next few videos. This is number one. Look for the rest of them. It'll probably be 10, 12. It's a lot of information. So I'm going to talk to you about the license process to get your state license, permitting process, testing process, inspection process, how to deal with inspectors, a riser diagram, which is this, and you usually need this to get your permit, disagreement with an inspector, and I've got stuff to talk about. I've had that happen. Code clarification, code book. This is our code book. There's a lot out there. This is the one we take in for our test. On your code book, do not dog-ear a page. Don't tear it. Don't put a mark with a pen or pencil. You are only allowed to highlight the text. Anything else, when you show up for your test, they expect your book. She'll throw it. She'll give it back to you and say, you can't use this one. If you slide a piece of paper between the pages, she sees it. She's going to hand you back the book and say, you can't take this one in. So in my online course, I tell you what to highlight. I tell you what's probably going to be on your test and what to highlight. So, but it's important to you to not tear a page accidentally. If you do, go get another book. You will not be able to take that one in. If you've already marked underneath or done anything out in the margin, you can't take that book in. Go get another book. So that's the code book. We're also going to talk about specialty tools. Color, our color is yellow for everything we do. Customer confidence, basic drafting, you got to have that. Customer confidence, when you show up to do a job, they are terrified that you're going to screw up, blow up their house, and kill the family in the middle of the night. So there's some techniques to make sure they stay confident in what you do for your whole process and your inspection process. Materials, design, we design all residential. Commercial work, we get a blueprint. Difference in high pressure, low pressure, manifolds, completely different gas system. Hangers, get out of jail free card, you're definitely going to want to know about that. Insurance, if you've got your own business and you've got general liability, there's some things you need to check on to make sure your policy covers them. Changing gas meter outside from a low pressure system to a high pressure system, why you would do that and how you would do it. Parts, I got some online people and other suppliers, I can turn you on to that. Leaving the outside low pressure, but putting an outside high pressure port. Painting, identification. And I've made every mistake. I've been at this since I'm 19. I'm 67. I'm retired. I have made every mistake you can possibly make more than once. So when I tell you this is the way you do it, it's because I already know how you shouldn't do it. And if I don't know the answer, I'm going to tell you I'm not sure. We'll find out the answers together. I teach online like it is right now. I don't back up. I don't edit. I teach like my classroom, and we walk through it. I stumble on words, mispronounce. I correct myself, and we continue to move forward. I don't have a monitor. I don't have a bunch of cartoon characters. My job is to get you ready to pass your state contractor's test, your state test, and we go all through that when we talk about process to get your license. So this is how I teach. My guys like it. Online, I'm not sure if you guys like it or not. Let's see. Taps. We don't do future taps. Plumbers can leave little stub outs and connect their water line later. We don't do that because we don't know what the footage is and we don't know how many BTUs it is. So how can we size the pipe? So we don't do that. If you leave a T-fitting and a short piece of pipe, the inspector will tell you to pull it out. You failed, get rid of it, and for his next inspection, he doesn't want to see it. It's a pain in the ass to do that. So you're best off, do not put a T-fitting on a single line for future. It ain't going to happen. So that's it. I'm not going to take any more of your time. Subscribe if you think it's worthwhile. Thumbs up, comments. I would like to hear what you think about me, the way I teach. Mostly, how many minutes can you stand to watch this? Google says keep it under 5 minutes. I know I'm already over that a little bit, but tell me if you can sit and watch for 10 minutes. I can probably cover 2 different of those subjects that I mentioned. So let me know in the comments what you think, and try not to kill your customer.